What's up, today? So let's do a complete updated multi-time frame analysis of Euro USD. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in Euro dollar. Now, as you can see on the lower time frame perspective, we see a significant trading opportunity. Before we discuss what it is, let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis. Then we'll jump onto this time frame to see how we can trade euro dollar, starting with first of all to see the bigger picture monthly time frame. Now on the monthly perspective, euro dollar is aggressively bearish. Now, if you look at overall market structure, what you see then, starting from here, creating a double top in this zone, euro dollar continue to drop in this direction every month, creating series of lower high and lower low. Now, if we look at in the recent price section, we see that euro dollar first of all created this big impulsive move, except one candle in the middle, which is not related to this movement to the downside, a green candle. And what we saw that the price grabbed the liquidity from this zone on the previous months, created this middleman, and then euro dollar started to drop aggressively to the downside. Now this is the current monthly candle. As expected, euro dollar has created a significant retracement to the upside here, and then we have seen an aggressive drop. Now, as a law of trading is what is likely to drop, what is dropping is likely to drop. That's the law of trading. So with that in mind, we can expect euro dollar continue to drop further in this direction. If you look at weekly time frame, we see that euro dollar has created a price action that is highly bearish. First of all, look at here on the weekly, it's a nice looking downtrending market structure, creating series of lower high and lower low. Now, what we have seen in the last 3 weeks price action, with this one middleman tested this important level of zone, this previous support zone as a resistance, created this candle, and you have seen in weekly forex forecast, this is what exactly I was mentioning, followed by big drop and then followed by a gap opening this week as soon as the market open, and then we see that euro dollar is dropping. Now the way the price action is formed, what I think that euro dollar is likely to drop further, as still we have three, almost 2.5 days to go, and I think that euro dollar will drop further in this direction on the lower time frame. Looking at the daily, what we see on the daily, this price action is highly bearish. If you closely look at what you see, first of all, consolidation on the daily time frame, long consolidation, and then created a head and shoulder, textbook head and shoulder has broken to the downside. Now, what we have seen in that breakdown, the price exactly tested the neckline of this head and shoulder, this previous support here as a resistance, and then we have seen this daily doji, which is a strong rejection from this zone, and as a result, we have seen a big drop followed by previous days. We have seen another doji. Now, if we closely look at daily price action, we can see a clear direction for this price action. You see that this is the daily chart, and what we have seen previous days, the price created a lower higher low. You can see that now today the price, what it did, it has broken to the downside, completely disconnected from this trend line on the lower time frame. That means that this price action is likely to drop further in this direction, and we could see a bigger move on the lower time frame perspective. Now on the 4 hour perspective, this is what I mentioned in early today also in a analysis in trading view. You have seen that what you see, if you closely look at this price action, you will see how euro dollar is creating first of all a gap opening on the first day of trading week, and the price respected this gap, created series of lower high, and then what we have seen, if you closely look at, there's a movement correction. So every time the price was creating an impulse towards downside, we see an effort from the buyer which is narrower and narrower. So this is the first effort which is bigger, second effort smaller, third effort further smaller. Now this is the last effort that buyers is doing in this previous support zone here, testing as a resistance, and with that candle which is closing after 1 hour 22 minutes, what I think that as euro dollar is expecting this previous support zone that has broken here. Support zone testing as resistance and getting rejected, and from here we can expect a drop. Now this is what we are doing currently. We are actively watching price action from this zone with our students for potential shorting opportunity on euro dollar to take this move to the downside with a high probability trade setup. And if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also don't forget to drop a comment below to help this idea. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next analysis.